after this you will understand what it is. For example, Anel and Jose are going to share cell phones. The cell phones represent electrons, valence electrons.
Hey, can I borrow your cell phone?
Sure, what do you want it for?
I just want to call my mom.
Okay.
This is an example of a metallic bond because Anel shared phone.
Iron has 2 valence electrons. Zinc also has 2 valence electrons. For cobalt to form a metallic bond with these elements, 3 cobalt atoms must be present for all of the atoms to be energetically favorable. Iron, zinc, and cobalt are constantly sharing their electrons with one another. This means FeZnCO3 is a metallic bond.
And my buddy Rudy will be showing you what a hydrogen bond is.
Okay. Both Jose's represent hydrogen atoms, and their cupcakes represent the electrons that orbit around the atom. And then hydrogen bonds are formed when 2 hydrogen atoms combine together.
Sometimes atoms are bonding, yeah. It gets the properties that I've never had before. No, atoms are bonding, yeah. Oh, sometimes.
This is how hydrogen bonds are formed.
My name is Anel Ibarra, and I will show you what an ionic bond and a polar covalent bond is.
Feel like learning some chemistry.
Polar covalent bonds are bonds that have an equal distribution of energy. For example, nonmetals with different electronegativity numbers. For example, again, hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen has 2.1 of electronegativity and oxygen has 3.5. The big magnet represents oxygen. The little magnet represents hydrogen. These two magnets attract because they have different electronegativities.
My name is Jose Picasso, and I was in non-polar covalent bond. A non-polar covalent bond is a bond with an equal sharing of electrons.
Study bonding.
This was an example of non-polar covalent bond because the 2 magnets had the same number of electrons.
Last but not least, we have the ionic bond. An ionic bond usually happens when one atom borrows 1 or more electrons from another atom. It's a link between these 2 atoms. One atom shares an electron with another atom. Ionic bonds are also not bendable and they are very stiff. For example, a common ionic bond is sodium chloride. To form this ionic bond, you will need to mix some salt and water together. Well, here is some salt being poured into the plate. We just add some water. And you may be wondering why we are mixing some salt into some water. Well, the reason why we're doing this is because sodium has a positive charge and chlorine has a negative charge. Since these 2 opposites attract, they are forming an ionic bond. My group and I hope that all your questions about bonding have been answered. Thank you for watching and have a great day.
Show me solubility for periodic properties.